Hey everyone, it's Glenn here, the guy in the video. And today we're going to talk about our very happy, fast, effective repair loop for Ford ECU and ignition modules used in the LRG series of package engines. So Ford developed a package engine, which is basically a gasoline engine that is sold to a manufacturer and used in their product, such as Genie and JLG use it in their boom lifts along with Terex. Plus, you also see these modules in things like wood chippers and airport tugs that move airplanes around that you see whenever you go to an airport. So since the pandemic, this product line has been dropped completely by Ford, and it's hard to get these modules. So we developed a full rebuild and repair and full test for this series of modules. As you can see, there's a variety. So over here, these are ignition modules. These are used in series of machines that are simpler, like a wood chipper. Over here, you have ECUs. These are used in things like the boom lifts. So ERD, we get them in, fully rebuild them, fully test them with our engine simulator, and ship them back out. So if you have any sort of LRG problem with any of these type of Ford package engine electronic products, please reach out to us. Check out our YouTube page. Look at all the different variety of things that we repair here at ERD, and give us a call at 336-992-3611. Give us an email. However you want to reach out to us, go ahead, and we can tell you about our great services. Because at ERD, we're repairing the world one piece at a time.